I've got a new toy, Titan 1500 watt table saw. What I'm going to do is a time lapse of assembly and a review at the end. Right, so built straight out of the box. First review, slots are a bit rough, but that's not a problem. That moves smoothly. A lot of people do always say that these are crap. They're not accurate and they move around. To be fair, when locked, that feels quite sturdy, so we'll see how that goes. Right, so I'll quickly show you guys down there. You've got your on-off switch, covered by rubber so they don't get dust. A reset switch if needed. Now this is the knob for height adjustment. This doesn't actually control the angle, so for the angle you literally, probably best to get a grip of this. Once you loosen it off, you can move it to your desired angle. Spanners there for changing the blade, and around the back the hose from the dust hood goes there. That is from the bottom of the motor. I've also not built this in the order they recommend. So at the beginning, when you take the foam out, is when you're meant to do the side and the back plates, extensions. So follow manufacturer instructions, don't listen to me.
What?
Do as I say, not as I do. That's always good. And if I say something wrong, then do something else that someone else said.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I've not made the legs. I will be making my own base with wheels, so subscribe. You'll see that at some point. I'll also make a cross-cut sled. All in all, for the price I've paid and how much these cost, it's not bad. You can't ask for any more for that price. So we'll turn it on, run it up, see how it goes, do a cut or two. Right, we're plugged in, a quick turn on, make sure everything's okay, and then we'll cut a little scrap piece. Pretty good at 45 degrees. I'll do one more pass on a bigger piece using a rip fence. Right, I've got my fence set to 5 centimeters. .8. Unless it's because of the 2mm kerf on the blade, so maybe something to bear in mind. Add 2mm whenever you're measuring up. Right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will make this a playlist. It will be the Titan table saw series or something like that. Lots more to come. The stand, the cross-cut sled. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, backflip, scrambled eggs.